Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tembeka from Yizocom. Today I'm going to talk about Uthando Nesithembu. In episode 1, Msele introduced wife number 5, which is Samkelisiwe Khwela. That means he got 5 wives. Macele, Mayeni, Makhumalo, Mangwabe and Makhwela. Mr. Msele told wife number 5 what to do and what not to do kwaMseleku. And wife number 5, she seems as she's in this marriage. She's not stepping backward. Even Mseleku asked her about alcohol issue. She said yes, she's drinking, but occasionally. And that problem, it can be solved. That means no more partying with 2K. I wonder she will make it in. Because Mr. Mseleku is very particular about drinking even in his children's. What will happen if wife number 5 not stopping partying and boozing? That are questions that comes from social media. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it.